Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can implement simple tank level control based on a pump and a discharge valve. So here I have my three variables. I have my tank level sensor, which will change its value between 0 and 1000 liters. I have my actuator, my pump, which will be continuously filling my tank with some liquid, and I have some discharge valve. So whenever this valve is open, it will decrease the level of my tank. So in order to do this, let's take execute block, which we learned previously. Let's enter our ST code and let's make a simple if statement here. So if my tank level sensor is higher like 900, then in this case our pump needs to be turned off and my discharge valve needs to be open. So I'm gonna assign to my pump the value false, semicolon, and my discharge valve I'm gonna assign the value true. So in this condition the fluid inside the tank will start to decrease. So if my tank level sensor is lower than, let's say, 100, then in this condition I have to turn on the pump again and close the discharge valve. So let's copy this previous line here. Let's assign the value true to my variable pump and the value false to my discharge valve. Okay, I'm going to delete the normally open contact. And let's log in into the simulator. Okay, you see here that my tank level sensor is 0. So 0 is lower than 100. So it's turning on my pump and turning off my discharge valve. So my level is increasing. When I reach a value that is greater than 900, like 910, it will do the opposite. So it will start opening my discharge valve and the level will start to decrease until the process repeats again. So when it's lower than 100, like 50, my pump will be turned on, my discharge valve will be off.